Hello people and welcome back to Code on Dashcam channel. In today's episode, you'll watch only the latest and craziest car content and I'm sure you'll enjoy in this one. From close calls, crashes, police moments and many more, and everything in one place. All the clips used in this video are for educational purposes and serve as a reminder on how to behave and what to avoid while being in traffic. Make yourself comfortable, press play and enjoy in today's episode.
Okay, Preston.
In this video, the camera caught just some of the rude drivers doing rude and reckless things in traffic. This is a daily routine when it comes to the camera and his crazy encounters. Please, make sure not to be as these drivers here. Pay attention at the truck driver that's about to pass the camera on the left side. Further up the road, he's about to stop in the middle of a busy freeway, get out of his truck and start to create some drama. This type of road behavior is shocking and the camera caught it all on his dashcam.
Oh yeah, brake check, huh?
What in the hell are y'all doing? You motherfuckers gonna get somebody killed.
Yeah, he is.
Make it back up.
Yeah, he is going to jail.
Driver on the far left side of the camera was totally confused. He didn't know which way to go as he cut across 3 lanes without using his turn signals. When he approached the traffic lights, he also ran a red.
What are you doing, man? Come on. They're walking across the street. You're not even involved.
The hell he's doing? Whoa, what the hell? Yo, that's crazy.
Driver in a white Chevy ran a red light, and right behind him comes a grey Dodge Charger who also ran a red light. It's unfortunate that we don't have a karma cop in this situation.
Wow. Holy shit. That was red light running.
Yep.
The stretch of highway is notorious for speeders, and the open road just invades them. Unfortunately for this pickup truck driver, a cop was right behind and he caught him speeding. It didn't take too long for karma to be delivered, and the camera was more than happy. Check it out.
Oh, oh, karma cop, karma cop. Oh, 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 yes, yes, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, come on, come on. Yeah! Oh, good.
Got him! Oh, sucker!
I saw him speeding too, and I'm like, damn it, that's the truck.
With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning a thing or two from all the mistakes so far. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like because it really helps this channel a lot. While you're there, hit that subscribe button and bell button to stay up to date with the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.